Now we are going to define the update function, always with the self inside as argument, and we're going to use gravity to measure the tilting of the iPad. And so if the absolute value of g dot y, we are taking this value of the tilting, is major than 0.05, so we tilt a little bit our screen. The self ship dot position will change among 0 and the self dot sides dot width, and so the minimum is 0, the maximum is the width of the screen, and the self dot shape dot position dot x on the x-axis will be augmented or reduced of g dot x. So the more we tilt, the more it will be go faster, multiplied for 120, and then we will have the x position of 51. I change it to 51 at the position of our ship. So let's see if it works. You know, it is moving and it can go over the farther than the screen, neither less than 0, neither more than the screen width. Thank you for now.